friends. Hope you're enjoying your quarantine time. So stay home, stay safe, and stay creative too. Myself, Dimple Parmar, I'm an interior designer. So 10th and 12th exams are over, and the result will be soon out. And hope all are being very much focused about what they are going to select the next course, the next studies. So many must be confused whether I go for a science, arts, commerce, etc. After 12th also many must be confused, should I take a diploma course, should I go for a degree course, etc, etc. So many must be struggling with their mind what to do next now, what percentage I'll be getting, and what percentage, with what which college I'll be entering into. They must be really much in tension in this quarantine time, or they must be enjoying too, because they must have decided properly that yes, I'm going to get this kind of percentage, and yes, I'm going to enter into this college. But many so this is a very good time for you all to, you can hand research the different courses, you can get knowledge of different courses, and you can change your mind too, you can also be focused of what you have decided to. So today I'm going to educate you about the interior designing course, because in this course in any of the courses, if you decide, you must should have a knowledge what is going to be into that course, and what is going to be after they complete that course. So all the best to all the students of 10th and 12th, and hope you get a very good percentage, and hope you fulfill your dreams. So for coming back to interior designing, this course is being now strictly after you can enter into this course after 12th standard only, after having a 12th standard certificate. So many of the colleges have a diploma courses, part-time diploma courses, degree courses that could be of 3 years, 4 years, and many other courses related to the interior designing are also. After completing this diploma and degree, you can do the masters, you can go outside India and also complete the masters related to this course. But I have studied that many a times the students who are not getting a good percentage are not having able to enter into a particular college, are not able to cope up with their wishes, that they are not able to enter into the particular due to the reason that they don't have a good percentage. So many a time, just because they feel कि चलो मुझे ये कॉलेज में इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग में एडमिशन मिल रहा है, चलो मैं कर लेता हूँ, चलो ये बहुत इजी कोर्स है, मेरा स्केचिंग तो अच्छा है, ड्राइंग अच्छा है, तो कर लूँगा. Many a time such students are entering into this course. Every year there are lakhs of thousands of students are coming out as an interior designers, but many a time they are not happy with what they are doing. So this is the reason you have to be very much selective and very much knowledgeable while entering into a particular courses. So when if you want, I'll just focus on the interior designing. So you all must be asked should ask yourself a question, that will this course be fruitful? What is there inside this thing, inside the course? What kind of subjects are being given to you all? It is only that the one skill of, if I know a good drawing or if I know a good sketching, is only enough for this? Because no, this courses are not only just related to the designing. There are many other things behind over there, that your design should have to be shaped in future. So there are many other subjects related technically, mathematically. There are many other things involved into it, because when you will be an interior designer, your 2D thoughts are going to be converted into the 3D thoughts, and that 3D thoughts, which will be a lively area for someone who is going to use for it. It is a hospitality course. You are going to serve the society a place, a dream place, a functionality place. So this is especially for that student, that if you all are just entering without any thought process just because you are getting an admission into it easily, and if you are entering, please be clear of it, that what kind of studies are you going to uh, uh, come are you going to come across. So I'll let you know what kind of subjects are in there. So designing is a one of the part, that is a 10% of the part. And obviously there are the practical things, that is kind of model making. Then are the construction parts, the detailed drawing. Then are the perspective parts. You have to make your perspectives of your particular designs, and you have to hunt for the material. You have to learn science, that is a what of the material are being useful for your if you are designing a particular structure, then what kind of material is fruitful for that. So you have to have a knowledge of all kind of materials. You have to have knowledge of all kind of details, because drawing a particular thing is very easy, but making it a practical way and making it useful for someone and functional for someone is very difficult. So you should know about how this all things are going to be covered by you. So many a times when I was into the college, I have seen students struggling with a particular subject, that would be construction, or that would be the calculations part, and they used to get bored and frustrated. And it is just not enough that you are going to just pass it out because you have to complete a diploma, so just ratta maro या whatever जुगाड़ करके आप निकल जाओ. But you have to enter after that into the practical life. You have to be under an architect or a designer, and you have to work for them. And tomorrow you could be your own boss, you could be a freelancer, you can also make your own firm. So you have to take care of each and everything. If you are going to be a business person, if you are going to handle your own firm, also you should have a very good knowledge of marketing, how you will market yourself, how you will spread the awareness, how you will spread about the what services are you going to. So the marketing is also being involved. So there are many subjects related to all the practical things. And whenever you complete your professional studies, the professional as for example is in interior designing over here. So whenever you study in the college, it is just a 10% of thing you are getting as a knowledge. The rest of the 90% you always study outside when you start doing it practically, when you start doing your job, you start taking up the jobs. So each and every project makes you learn something out of it. Sometimes you learn the design could be better, sometimes you learn in a particular thing the details could be better, the finishings could be better. I must have appointed a good contractors, or I must have hunt for more material. So the particular project must have been completed in xyz amount rather than completing in this huge amount. So you each and every with this each and every site to study something or the different. Today I have completed my 12 years of experience in this field, but yet I can't say that I'm 100% sure I'm 100% qualified for this thing, because again I'll be getting some other project, and again I'm going to study over it. Yes, these are the drawbacks which have came through. These are the things which the drawbacks was there in the last project. I'll really take care of this thing in this project. So every now and then you keep on studying, and every now and then there are different materials coming out. So keeping a knowledge of such materials, keeping a knowledge of a particular contractors, keeping a knowledge about their work style. So there are many things involved into it. The designing is just a 10% of completing a job. Obviously it is a major part, because it is something it's going to be look, but to make that thing it's a huge process, and that process of knowledge you will be getting in the interior designing course. So there are many practical things, whether it will be science, arts, and the commerce, all the three subjects are being involved into it. You have to be good with the countings, you have to be good with the some particular thumb rules, you have to be good with your arts, you have to be good in your computers, you have to know many softwares regarding to it, and also you have to be good with your science knowledge, that is a material knowledge, the scientific methods, and obviously the marketing. Without marketing you cannot run your business, so you have to have a good knowledge to it. So guys, please ask your question before entering into any of the courses. I want to do, or I have to do. I want to do and have to do while a question is really very important, because don't be forcefully enter into any of kind of a field. Think and then enter, get a good knowledge over it in whatever stream you're entering into it, and make your attitudes at I want to do it, I will do it. Don't keep an attitude that I have to do it because XYZ person have told me to do it, or because of my family business is into it, so I have to complete this course. No, please. Today I'm into this field, I'm an interior designer just because I wanted to do that. In spite, I was born and brought up and also married to a family where every person are into the construction field. Some are architects, some are civil engineers, some are contractors, some are interior designer. You won't believe it, my whole family is into it. And if the conversation, if you see at my place, you will always see we are just talking about our site related work, we are just talking about the clientage, the marketing. Yeah, so many a times the family business also help you out, but in spite of having a family business into a particular field, it doesn't mean that you have to enter into the same field. The only attitude you have is that I want to do it and I will do it, and all the best to all the students. Go with the attitude as that I want to do it. So all the best, all the best, do well in your life. All the best to everyone, and hope if any help regarding to this course, you can kindly contact me, and please like, subscribe and share my video, so a person who is not able to understand what kind of interior designing course is and how should I enter into it, this would be a bit of a person of help to them. So please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much. Signing off, Dimple Parmar. Bye. Thank you so much.